Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Telegram wallet. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on Binance you want to go ahead and withdraw your crypto. So on wallets option you're going to click withdraw and withdraw cryptocurrency. After that you're going to choose USDT and send via crypto network. After that, you will need the address. So now you're gonna go to Telegram and open up its wallet. After that, you're gonna click more assets and you will see that there's no USDT. But here on dollars, where it says dollars, it's actually USDT. So you're gonna click on this one, on Tether, and you're gonna click receive button, the second one. Now you're going to choose a network. So you can either choose a Tron network or TON network. Now the TON network is suspended on Binance, or at least it is now. So I'm just going to choose Tron network. And here you will see your address, which you want to go ahead and copy and go back to Binance. Now on Binance, you're just going to go ahead and paste the address. Now you're going to choose a network. So it is Tron. And after that, you're gonna go ahead, enter the amount and withdraw it. So as you can see, the network fee is 1 USDT. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.